In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Behance project as a PDF. Whether you're looking to save your own work or appreciate someone else's, there are a few practical methods to achieve this, ranging from Behance's built-in options to some clever third-party tools. Let's dive right in and explore these options together. Let's start with the most straightforward approach, using Behance's built-in Download PDF feature. Many creators, especially those on a Behance Pro plan, can effortlessly download their projects directly from the site. If you're a Pro plan subscriber, you should see an option labeled Download as PDF on your project page. Simply click it, and Behance will do the magic for you. The platform typically generates a PDF that includes your project images and content from the live page. This built-in feature is incredibly convenient, as it provides a simple and quick way to archive or share your project without leaving the platform. Now, what if the built-in option isn't available, or you're keen on a bit more customization? This is where third-party tools come into play. One notable tool is the Lasso tool, a handy web-based service that enables you to export your project as a styled PDF. To use it, just enter the URL of your Behance project, and the tool will guide you through exporting it as a PDF. Keep in mind, though, that the free tier might add a watermark to your document. To enjoy a clean export free of watermarks, you might consider upgrading to the paid version, which unlocks the full feature set. Finally, for those who are after the highest quality output, there's a truly manual method that's perfect if you built the project yourself on Behance. Start by going to the project editor. As you hover over each image, a little pencil icon will appear. Click this to download the original file. Once you've downloaded all the assets, you can assemble them in a design tool of your choice, like InDesign, Figma, or even PowerPoint. This hands-on approach lets you craft a PDF that's bespoke, ensuring it reflects exactly how you want your work to be presented, with image quality as pristine as possible. And there you have it. Whether you choose the hassle-free built-in option, a third-party tool for extra flair, or a manual method for the best quality, each has its advantages. It's all about what's right for your particular needs. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.